Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. I'm going to demonstrate replacing the battery in a mini key fob with a fresh one. At least, that's the intent. As you'll see, I ran into a problem almost immediately that deserves a video on its own. You will need a new CR2032 battery and to use the mechanical key as a tool. You may also want the tip of a very small screwdriver. I want to remove a cover on the back of the fob and will need to remove the mechanical key first. Push the release button on the side of the fob as shown and pull on the key ring end, and there is the mechanical key. Now, the idea is to slip the tip of the key into the gap shown and pry up on the part of the fob that has the word mini on it. It wouldn't budge, and I did apply some force. I then tried this small screwdriver, and still the cover would not come away. This is a working key fob, and the only one the owner had available, and this is just a demonstration, so I was not going to risk damaging the fob. As I recommended to the owner, and now for you, if you have only a single fob and the cover will not come away, take it to your mini dealer. Don't risk damaging the fob. In any case, the cover should come away as shown. This exposes the battery, which has another smaller cover. Use the key again to lift the second cover away. The battery will be seen with its markings up. You will likely need a tool like this to get beneath it, as we did with this BMW fob. Note that older fobs from Mini are similar, although the cover comes off from the opposite end and there's not a second cover. Slip in a new battery beneath the two plastic pieces shown, keeping the markings up. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. I'm using a glasses cleaning cloth to avoid leaving skin oils on the battery and recommend that you do too. Note that the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. Return the battery cover and snap the fob's cover back into place. Return the mechanical key as well. Then test the locks as we did in this BMW, and hopefully you'll be ready to go. Again, if your fob fights back and you don't have a spare, have your mini dealer replace the battery. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.